Correct? Pakishow na yung ating slides. Let us try to show the slides. Very good. Thank you, Direk. Oops.
Ayan.
Okay, wait a minute. Yan na. Okay. Let's start. Okay, again, I'm Dr. Butch Villena. Okay. Tingnan niyo po yung ating tingnan niyo po yung ating logo. Napakaganda po ng logo ng AGG.
Mm-mm.
Okay, yan.
Mhm.
Napakaganda po. I'm your medical consultant. I'm a diplomate of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians. Of course, the co-author of the book Complete 24/7 Natural Healers. A professor in the College of Medicine Nursing. Ako po yung nagtuturo ulit ngayon. Okay? Kasi talagang masarap magturo rin, Miss Ping. Okay?
Yes, tama.
And kami po din ni Miss Ping ay part po ng training team both locally and internationally. And again, I'm the medical product specialist of Empowered Consumerism that happens to be a branch or a division of AIM Global Group of Companies. Paano ba maging healthy, Miss Ping? Okay? Tandaan mabuti.
Yes, ito na.
We're promoting health
Tips
and
to be healthy. So, para sa lahat ito, yan talaga. Ito ng pinakamagandang topic sa araw na to.
mahirap maging successful na puro wealth lang.
Mm-mm.
Healthy ka rin. Although yung talagang tips to be healthy, it's either for next week or after the anniversary yung topic namin. Ito ngayon, papahapyawan lang muna namin ni Miss Ping. Kasi pinaka-topic talaga ngayon natin is yung paano ba talaga mag-promote ng tama sa food supplements? Ano ba yung mga tamang pananalita? Pero ngayon, syempre, babanggitin natin ng pahapyaw, bird's eye view. Paano ba talaga maging healthy? Miss Ping, gano'n tayo? Summarize
Game
natin
na.
to. Okay, Miss Ping. Isa-isayin natin yan. Isa-isayin natin. Number one is what?
Yes, unang-una, to be healthy, you need to drink more water, approximately 8 glasses per day.
Okay,
Second, you
sleep.
need to get enough sleep, 8 hours per day.
Aha.
Third, exercise at least 30 minutes a day.
Aha.
Fourth, eat more fruits and vegetables, 5
Tama.
servings, a minimum of 400 grams per serving. Next, cut down on processed food like saturated fats and salt. And
Mm-hmm.
lastly, avoid trigger foods such as the refined sugar, salt, fat, and flour.
Eh, pag-usapan natin mabuti. Doc, more water. 8 to 12 to be exact. Pag mainit, pwede ka pa magtaas ng konti. Okay? Pero again, I would like to clarify, at least 8 glasses per day ang kailangan natin. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Sabi nga, Doc, bakit po? Unang-una, okay, gaganda ang bowel movements. Gaganda ang ihi natin. So, mapapaproteksyon na ng kidney. Gaganda pati skin. Pati yung phlegm, mailalabas natin yan. Okay? So, ang daming advantages. Yun lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo by drinking water. Hindi kayo inom ng tubig, masisira ang kidney, mahirapan kang mag-move ng bowel mo, papangit ang balat natin, mahirapan kang mag-expectorate ng phlegm, and so on and so forth. Kaya nga sinasabi ko lagi, ba't kayo tatama rin? Eh, yan na yung pinaka-healthy sa lahat ng dapat mong inumin. Wala nang gaganda pa sa tubig. Lilinawin namin ni Miss Ping, ha? Wala nang gaganda pa sa tubig. Maliwanag po tayo. Yon. Klaro yan. Next. Ang tulog, sige. Although Miss Ping, nung nagturo ako, medyo nadideprive ako ng pakonti-konti dito. Okay? Kaya nga, at my age, medyo naninibago pa rin talaga ako. Pero at least 7 hours. Sa edad namin ni Miss Ping, 7 hours.
7
Sa
hours
mga mas
na.
bata pong nakikinig ngayon, 8 hours
More.
dapat. 9 hours. Huwag naman yung 12 oras. Abuso na tawag doon. Okay? Katam na yun. Na. Kaya maliwanag tayo. Katam na. Miss Ping, yung ating mga leaders sinasabi gano'n, no? Lagi ko nilalapitan, Dok, wala pa akong tulog ngayon. Naku po, naghahanap ka ng sakit.
Oo, yun
You're
ang ano nila sa mga leaders, especially sa mga hubbers. Yun ang challenge nila, yung sleep.
don't ever do that. It's so difficult to do your network kung wala kang tulog kasi hindi ka makapag-isip ng tama. Mainit pa ulo mo. Okay, so dapat talaga magandang aura, magandang tulog. Pag nakipag-usap ka, magiging positive. Okay, yung magiging results. Maliwanag tayo. Now, yung exercise, hindi everyday talaga. We would like to clarify that issue. Kasi sabi naman dapat araw-araw, hindi. Maximum 5 times a week. Eh, Doc, paano kung 3 times lang? Pwede. Basta ang usapan 150 minutes in 1 week. So, pwede ka mag 50, 50, 50. That will be 3 days. Kota ka na doon. Why? To break down the fats and sugar faster. Okay, yun yun. Then, we're promoting food supplements. Dapat talaga mag-fruits and vegetables ka. Minimum 400 grams. If you can go for 500 grams, 600 grams in one whole day, in one whole day, that will be good for you. Pero ang pinaka-minimum po, lilinawin namin ng Spring, should be 400 grams. 0.4 kilos yun, napakarami nun.
Mm.
Sabi nga nila, Spring,
Sobrang dami.
5 servings. Okay? So again, itong sinasabi namin, Miss Ping, if you can eat that amount of fruits and vegetables daily, hindi mo na kailangan ng food supplements. Tapos ang usapan. Okay? Pero sa pag-ikot namin ni Miss Ping, ako, Miss Ping, so far sa 17 years almost ko na sa AIM Global. Kasi sa September, 17 years na ako sa AIM Global eh. Sa 17 years ko sa AIM Global, Miss Ping, wala pang 20 ang nagsabi sa akin that they can eat 400 grams of fruits and vegetables every day. Wala pa. Bihirang-bihira talaga. Okay? So, yun po yun. Now, dito guilty ako dito. Yung dalawang nasa baba, guilty ako.
Mahirap, no? Mahirap yan,
Okay.
dalawa sa baba.
Oo, grabe. So, saturated fats. Ano yung mga yan? Sabi nga po natin, Doc, ano yung mga to? Isama mo na yung mga may preservatives. Okay? Isama mo na dyan yung mga tosino, langgonisa,
Hot dogs.
hotdog. Wow, sarap naman. Yung mga trigger foods, tsokolate, chips, okay, donut, ice cream. Yan. Why? Hypertension na nga abutin mo dyan sa mga clotting, blood clotting. So it will not be good. Hindi ko sinabing totally maiwasan mo na o matigil mo na. Matikman mo man lang, kota ka na doon. But to eat it every day, that will be bad for you. Now, Miss Ping, second set tayo. Game. Ano pa kailangan gawin?
Yes, ito na next, no? Avoid negative people in your life because they suck your energy. Next,
Yes.
avoid negativity within yourself that will lead to overeating.
Yes.
Next, take your time eating at least 20 minutes and prepare your meals.
Unahin natin yung nasa taas, Miss Ping. Di ba?
Negative
Let's
people.
ask them. Ano bang gusto nyo sa buhay? Yung napapaligiran ka ng mga negative people o napapaligiran ka ng mga positive people? Yan. Di ba? No, let's talk about reality. Parang naman yan, talagang mamimit natin. Tama, Miss Ping? Imposible kang makaiwas sa mga negative na tao. Okay? Meron yan lagi. Kahit napakabait mo, palaging meron magne-negative. Okay? Walang perfect eh. Yun ang sinasabi lagi natin. So, iwasan mo yun. Kasi mapapagod ka. Lalo na kung kasama mo sa opisina, Miss Ping, tomorrow may topic for IUP for sa ating mga empleyado, yung stress. Okay, yung stress. Okay, syempre dapat malaman din nila ano ba talaga dapat gagawin natin dito. Okay. So, pati tayo dapat ganun din. We need to know what to do if we will be surrounded by negative people. Okay? Now, naiwasan mo na. Hindi naman pala sila yung negative, ikaw naman pala yung negative. Hindi rin po pwede yun. Okay? Let us try to remind you, ang stress, hindi may iwasan, but there are two kinds of stress. The eustress and the distress. Okay? So sabi nga nila, Doc, the good stress and the bad stress, tama po yun. Okay? So mas maganda syempre yung good stress. Ano yun? Ano yung good stress? Carlo Villaventura. Pagbaba ng bahay. 6 yung coaching nakikita. Good stress. Alin dito gagamitin ko ngayong araw? Di ba, no? Ano yung bad stress? Yung hindi ka makasakay ng jeep o sa bus. Papunta ng opisina mo, late ka na. Yun. That's bad stress. So, bigla pang uulan ng malakas, wala ka pang payong. Naku po. Lalo lang na dumami yung stress. Yun. Okay. And again, okay, Miss Ping, pagkasama mo yung kids mo, and especially with your apo, gaano katagal kayo kumakain sa pagkainan, lalo na pag dinner time, Miss Ping? How long do you usually eat, Miss Ping, together with your kids and your grandkids, Miss Ping?
Kung nung wala pa yung grandkids ko, medyo mabilis. Pero ngayon with my grandkids, no, kasi nag-uusap-usap na, siguro nag-last ng 30 minutes to 1 hour or 1 hour siguro.
Pares tayo. Pag ako talaga may time, talagang we try to see through it that we will spend quality time with their 2 daughters, no? Lalo na nung lumabas kami mismong Friday, Saturday, Sunday, talagang tuwang-tuwa kami kasi talagang yung bawat meal namin, 1 oras kami inaabot, kwentuhan. Kasi nga, umuulan eh. Okay, we even played ka. Masaya. Okay? Why? Kasi nga, 20 minutes para yung stomach mo, okay, makapag-send na ng information sa utak na, uy, medyo busog na to, medyo puno na. Para yung utak titigil. Kasi if you're a fast eater, yung mga 3 minutes, tapos na. May alam akong ganun eh. Ang feeling nila, gutom pa sila. Kaya nakakadalawang plato, 3 plato. You're not giving enough time, okay, para makapag-send ng information ng stomach papunta sa utak for you to stop eating. Yun yun. And syempre, if you will prepare your own meals, for sure, ang lulutuin mo yung healthy. Tama? Okay, so, tingnan nyo mabuti ba yung mga pinag-uusapan natin na, uy, Miss Janice Chin Ang is watching right
Hi,
now.
Janice! Hello!
Hi, Janice. How are you? Okay. Kamusta na? And, eto pa, Miss Pink, idiretso pa natin yung mga kailangan nating gawin talaga. What are these?
Yes, ito pa. Move towards low-calorie, low-fat alternatives. Next, stop smoking.
Yeah.
And have healthy snacks on hand.
Yun. Ano yung binanggit, Miss Pink? It's not really the number of times you're gonna eat. Okay? Or the time of your meal. What really matters most is the number of calories you're eating. Yan. Okay, di ba, Miss Ping, ano? Walang kinalaman yung timing eh. Although yung iba sinasabi nga yung mga intermittent fasting. Again, topic namin ni Miss Ping yun nung nakaraan. We respect them. Okay, but again, ang pinakaklaro pa rin talaga sa isipan natin kung gaano kadaming calories ang kinakain mo. So you have to go with low fat and low calorie alternatives. Maliwanag po tayo doon. So, simpleng-simple lang. Kung 5'5 ka na babae, ang ideal body weight mo in pounds is 125 pounds divided by 2.2 para ma-convert yung pounds sa kilos. Then, kung ikaw po ay nasa tinatawag nilang teacher, 35 calories per kilo yun. Yun ang pagko-compute nun para malaman mo yung total calorie requirements mo every day. Maliwanag po tayo. But again, we will dwell on that as we go on with our topic. Pero iwasan talaga yung mga high-calorie ice cream, tsokolate. Naku po. Okay, ang tataas niyan. White rice, tinapay, pandesal, cake. Naku, sa sarap, Lord. Okay, pasensya na po. Pati cakes, soft drinks, especially, ang tataas niyan. Although, again, for the past 3 days, medyo inuulit ko, nagkasala ako dyan. Okay, kasi nga, it's a time for me to relax eh. Okay? Nagkasala ako dyan. Pero ngayon, kita nyo naman, bawi na kaagad. Bawi na. Okay? Pero more on water kami. Nagtaka ko pa, even my kids, more on water kami nung lumabas kami. Ang galing. Okay? And, smoking is bad. Please, stop it. Walang magandang idudulot sa inyong paninigarilyo. Yabang lang talaga ang forma. Tama? Pero yung sakit, cancer of the lungs, emphysema, and even your loved ones can suffer also from cancer through passive smoking. Kaya, tigilan nyo na po yan, parang awa nyo na. And, ang pinag-uusapan lagi, healthy snacks on hand. Kumakain ako ng carrots, pero ang paborito ko yung hawak niya, yung saging.
Yes.
Okay, lang ko. Alam din na bisping yan. Yung saging na saba. Yan ang paborito ko talagang kainin, yung saging na saba. Maliwanag ko tayo. Okay, kung may mansanas kayo, very good. Singkamas, pasensya na, parang hindi ko na malayo ng singkamas ng summer, Miss Ping. Hindi ko talaga siya nakita halos. Okay? Now, eto pa. Idiretso na natin. Tandaan nyo po may mga COVID pa rin. May mga flu ngayon, infectious diseases. Paano natin may iwasan yung mga yon? Miss Ping, ano ba dapat gawin?
Yes, ito pa yung mga additional tips. Next, wash your hands. Expose yourself to sunlight because it releases serotonin and leads to production of vitamin D in the skin.
Very good.
Wear face mask and face shield and leave your shoes and slippers outside when you are at home.
Yan, very good. Tsaka pala, Miss Ping, before I further continue, kinuha yung mga comments natin dito. Okay? Si Carla Erica de Jumo. Yan, ang ating leader from Bicol. Okay? Watching right now. Kahapon, we would like to commend our leaders from Bicol. Nandun po si Doc
Yes.
Ed, si Jules Espinosa, si Lance Posadas, si Melanie. Okay, they were there. And ang ganda. Talagang well-received. Talagang yung hospitality ng mga Bicolano po. Talagang pinakita po na si Jensky was also one of the speakers. Ang galing-galing po. Okay, so talagang kudos. Saludo kami sa inyo. Ayan. And eto si Cecilia, maganda rin sinabi niya dito. I love intermittent fasting, Doc. It works for me and my younger brother. Sinasamahan ko rin ng calorie deficit and dirty low-carb diet. Ayun. Okay. So, now, Cecil, katulad sinabi natin, if it's effective to you, very good diretso mo yan. Pero nga, talaga may binabagay yan. Sa mga taong katulad ko na acidic, medyo bawal yan. Kasi nga, baka lalong tumindi acidity ko. But if it works for you, diretso. Uy, sige, banggitin ko na nga. Sir June Espinosa is a believer of OMAD. Yung 1 meal a day. Okay? Talagang grabe ang dedication nun. Kaya tamo naman ang katawan ni Sir June, talagang biglang naging slim. Okay? So, if it's effective to you, then so be it. Yeah, pusuan natin. Pusuan natin yan. Good. Stop smoking, sabi ni Cecil. Now, wash your hands. Sugad mo hugasan mo. Hindi pag kamusta ka na? Biglang high five pa. Lalipat na. Okay, so wag yun. So, yun po yun. Okay, we have our K-soaps, di ba? Deep Cleanse and Whitening Bar, Oxygen Bar, saka Chop Chop Glow. Mamili po kayo. Pero, pangpatay o pantanggal ng mga mikrobyo, the best pa rin ang Deep Cleansing and Whitening Bar. Yes, then expose yourself to sunlight. Why again? Serotonin, pag tama sa'yo ng sunlight, maglalabas ka ng mga feel-good hormones. Dapat masaya ka habang nagpapapayat. Yung kasi yun. The same time, pag tama ng sunlight sa balat mo, yung cholesterol under the skin will be converted to become vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Why? Ang function is to absorb the calcium and phosphorus to have a stronger bone. So, kailangan mo yan. Okay? Isa pa, walang biro to, pampaganda rin ng libido yan. Okay? Pampaganda ng immune system. Okay, so ang daming advantages. Now, wear face mask and face shield if necessary. Miss Ping, bilang doktor, bilang nurse, Miss Ping, we would like to be honest, dati talaga pag may ubo ka, antigen test ka agad ng COVID. Ngayon, patibay na po ng katawan. Di ba? Pag may ubo ka, mask na lang, di ba? Oo, kasi wala hindi natin alam kung talagang, but again, may mga COVID pa rin, pero very mild na yung dating. Paano ka na lang nagkakaroon ng flu or nag-colds, okay? But still, prevention is better than cure pa rin. And, leave your shoes and slippers outside ng bahay nyo kung may sarili kang bakuran. Pero kung wala po, ipasok. So, baka mawala yan. Okay. Baka sabihin nyo, Dr. Billian ako sabi, iwan yung sapatos sa labas kung may bakuran kayo.
Pero kung baka sa condo or sa mga apartment units, no?
Hindi mo pwede yan, okay? Speaking, diretso natin. Hindi lang COVID to. Infectious diseases. Game, Miss Ping.
Tama po. Sa panahon ngayon na tag-ulan, marami na namang mga respiratory diseases. So, social distancing, 3 to 6 feet. Ayan. Next, cough etiquette. And take food supplements. Ayan, explain niya ni Doc Butch. Etiquette.
Yung pa rin yun. Kasi nga pag ganito, usually pinangahawak mo, malaking problema. Kung meron ka tissue paper, naka-ready, kaso nga lang, di ba, Miss Pag, hindi ka na makakawak ng tissue, di ba? Diretso na eh. So, dapat talaga masanay ka. At syempre, naka-ready alcohol mo. Yun. Okay. Now, take food supplements, C24/7, Complete, C Supreme is also good, D Supreme is also nice, Barley Glow, okay, Ultra H2, ang dami mong pwedeng inumin na produkto ng AIM Global. At yun ang mga pag-uusapan natin, Miss Ping. Yan. Yes. Okay. And syempre, Miss Ping, what's that?
Ito na. Lastly, be vaccinated. So, marami tayong mga klaseng vaccines.
Miss Ping, inuulit ko po, mamaya I'll be receiving my flu vaccine. Okay? Hindi ko na palulustin yun. Be vaccinated. COVID dapat na kompleto mo. Flu vaccine every year. Saka po yung tinatawag yung pneumococcal vaccine for Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay? I-receive nyo na po yan. Huwag nyo nang patagalin. Maliwanag ko tayo. Ha? Flu vaccine is received every year. Why? Para mag-develop na antibodies that if and ever papasok yung virus o bacteria sa katawan nyo, may panglaban ka na. You can still acquire the disease. Yung iba naguguluhan dun eh. You can still acquire the disease, pero milder form na. Yun yun. So, type nyo po dyan. Para sabi-sabi tayo, type nyo po, be vaccinated. May kumparing Randy Gregorio, okay, the owner of BCO, Batangas, Los Baños, Laguna, Los Baños, Laguna, is watching right now. Dati nating Speakers Bureau, napakagaling magsalita. Hindi na kailangan ng mikropono sa sobrang lakas ng salita. Ito ang katapatan ni Kuya Danrich eh. Malakas magsalita. But again, a very great leader. Okay, si kumparing Randy Gregorio. Maraming salamat, Pare Goy. Okay, now, syempre, we need to train. At the end of the day, if you're a member of this community, kung talagang leader ka, mag-training ka. Walang kinalaman ng profesyon. Tama po tayo para maging magaling na leader. Dapat talaga lahat tayo should train hard. Maliwanag po tayo. So, type nyo po dyan ha. Mag-training tayo. Type nyo po, mag-training tayo. Okay, games.
Training tayo. Yes. Comment sa comment box.
Paano ba talaga mag-promote ng food supplements? Ito na. Simulan na po namin ni Miss Ping. Game, Miss Ping. Simulan natin yan. Drugs.
Yes. So, unang-una, we have to understand what is a drug. So, it is any substance that causes a change in an organism's physiology or psychology when consumed.
Good. The journey of a pill. Pag uminom ka ng gamot, lalo na kung for arthritis, aray ko, yun, kasama ako doon. Okay? So, it will enter your mouth, of course, doon dadaan yan, and will land inside your stomach to be liquefied. Pag natunaw na po sa stomach, it will go towards your intestines and will enter the blood vessels. Then, dadaan mo na ng liver para mag-undergo ng first pass effect. Then, it will go to your heart and it will be distributed to the specific part of the body kung saan meant yung gamot. If it's for arthritis, anti-inflammatory medications, it will go there para bawasan yung inflammation. Kung para naman yan sa puso, para paganda ng tibok ng puso, pupunta yan sa puso. Kung ang purpose naman is to dilate the blood vessels, doon siya pupunta. Yun. Okay ah. So, yan yung mga systemic usually ang dating pag oral. May mga local. Ano yun, Miss Ping? Pampatak sa mata. Ophthalmic drops. Okay? May otic drops. Drops sa tenga. Okay? May nasal spray. Meron tayong tinatawag na mouth spray. Meron tayong tinatawag na ointment or cream para naman sa balat. So, iba't iba po ang klase ng gamot na kailangan nating pag-usapan. But again, anong pinaka-objective ng gamot? Magpagaling. Yeah. Manggamot, sabi nga natin. Now, Miss Ping, sa pharmacology, ano ba ang definition, Miss Ping, ng drugs?
Yes, so again, in pharmacology, a drug is a chemical substance typically of known structure which when administered to a living organism produces a biological effect.
A biological effect. As you can see here, may capsule, may tablet, may caplet, may soft gel, may ampule, may vial, meron tayong tinatawag na syrup, suspension, iba't iba. Ang dami, ano? Pero ang pinaka-function niya, magkaroon ng effect sa tao o sa, when you talk about biology, the study of living things. Yun ang objective ng mga gamot. Maliwanag ko tayo doon. Now, diretso pa natin. Ano yung pharmaceutical drug, Miss Ping?
Yes, so a pharmaceutical drug is also called a medication or medicine. It is a chemical substance used to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose a disease or to promote well-being.
Used to treat, cure. Yan. Yun yung dalawang pinaka-importante pag sinabi mong drugs, panggamot. Para gumaling ka sa isang sakit. Maliwanag po tayo ha. So ulitin ko po, drugs yun. Okay? Sa lahat po nakikinig, again, kung may mga kaibigan kayo kasama sa negosyo, pakishare na po kasi ito na yung mga importanteng words that we will be sharing to all of you. Ang mga drugs, panggamot. Okay, para for you to be able to recover from a certain illness or disease. Clear? Yan. Okay. Para maganda. Drugs. Ilagay dyan. Drugs. Used to treat, cure. Yun na, kahit yung dalawang muna. Used to treat and cure. Yun. Drugs yun na, drugs. Used to treat and cure. Now, Miss Pink, syempre, we're promoting food supplements, dietary supplements. Ano bang kailangan nating malaman tungkol doon, Miss Pink?
Ito na po. So after understanding what drug is, ito na tayo sa dietary supplements. So
Good.
the idea behind food supplements, just like our products, also called dietary or nutritional supplements, is to deliver nutrients that may not be consumed in the sufficient quantities or amount. So dietary supplements can contain vitamins, minerals, herbs, or other botanicals, amino acids, enzymes, and many other ingredients.
Miss Pink, sisimplehan ko na lahat ng binanggit namin. Nasa ano po yan, C24/7 sa complete. Okay. Yung amino acids, minerals, herbs, vitamins, enzymes, all of those that Miss Pink was able to mention, nasa C24/7 are complete. But again, food supplements, dietary supplements, nutritional supplements, yun ang iba't ibang pangalan niya. Sinabi bang drugs? No. Okay, Hindi po siya drugs. Siya po ay food supplement. Hindi po siya panggamot. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Dapat maliwanag po sa ating isipan yan. Para hindi po tayo magkamali when we try to promote the products to our clients. Okay? Now, Miss Ping, sabi ito, dietary supplement label. Ano ba yan, Miss Ping? Pakibanggit naman ito.
Yes, ito po yung nakikita natin sa mga supplements natin, yung tinatawag na dietary supplement label. So these products sold as dietary supplements come with a supplement facts or label that lists the active ingredients, the amount per serving or dose, as well as other ingredients such as fillers, binders, and flavorings.
Yan po nakikita nyo, yan po yung nasa likod ng C24/7. Okay, serving size niya 7D cups. Ibig sabihin, lahat po na nakasulat dyan sa likod na yan, para makuha mo lahat yan, kailangan mo ng 7 capsules. Kasi iba, sabi, Dok, ang taas naman ng vitamin C niya, taas mo ng vitamin A, sobra-sobra. Kung magsa 7 capsules ka, tama? Pero usually, pag mga for maintenance lang, 1 hanggang 2 hanggang 3 maximum. We can go higher, but again, that will be for another day. Okay? Pero sa ngayon po, hindi ka pwedeng maglagay ng kahit na ano dyan kung talagang wala doon sa capsule. Maliwanag po. Because again, meron pong nagbabantay kung gaano po tayo katotoo sa inilalagay po natin sa boxes, and we were gonna mention that one to you later on. Pero sige, unahan ko na. Food and Drug Administration. So, Dok, lahat yan. Nasa C24/7? Yes. Kaya, sigurado kami ni Miss Ping doon. Lahat yan, nasa C24/7. Yun. Okay po. Let's continue. Okay, game. Now what else? Effectiveness, Miss Ping. Paano ba talaga? Yan, game tayo.
Yes. Paano kagaling yung ating dietary supplements? So it can help you get adequate amounts of essential nutrients if you don't eat a nutritious variety of foods. However, supplements can take the place of the variety of foods that are important to a healthy diet.
Very good. Okay, kung kulang doon sa kinakain mo, pandagdag yung supplements. But again, we would like to mention, lilinawin namin ni Miss Ping, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy diet. Kung talagang madami kang kinakain na fruits and vegetables, again, ilan yung kailangan nyo? 400 grams every day. Okay? Then, hindi mo na kailangan ng food supplements. Pwede mo nang tigilan yan if you want. Okay? Pero kung kulang ka, tingin mo puro ka nalang prito. Walang fruits, walang vegetables, puro karne. Then, I will recommend kahit paano man lang makadagdag yung food supplements sa pangangailangan mo. Ang word namin makadagdag. Hindi namin sinabing pampalit, makadagdag. Okay po game tayo. Now, Ms. Ping, pag-usapan na, sino ba yung regulating body na yan na nagbabantay ng mga dietary supplements? Game tayo, Ms. Ping.
Yes, ito na po, Federal Regulation of Dietary Supplements. So dietary supplements are products intended to supplement the diet and are treated more like special foods. They are
Good.
not medicines and are not intended to treat, to diagnose, to mitigate, to prevent, or cure diseases. The FDA, or
Yes.
Food and Drug Administration, is the federal agency that oversees both supplements and medicines, but the FDA regulations for dietary supplements are different from those for prescription or over-the-counter medicines.
Yan ang maganda sinabi mo, Miss Pink. Special foods.
Yes.
Pagkain po ang supplements. Hindi po siya drugs, hindi po siya gamot. Maliwanag po tayo. That, again, we need to clarify. Kasi, for almost 17 years working with AIM Global as your medical product consultant, si Miss Pink po. Ilan taon ka na, Miss Pink, sa AIM Global? How many years?
7.
7 years. Okay? Na part ng management. Tama?
What,
Pero,
pero
distributor, kailan ka pa nag-start, Miss Pink?
mga 16 years pa, isama po yung pagiging distributor.
Tama. So, lamang lang pala ako ng 1,000 kay Miss Ping. Okay, sa pagpasok sa AIM Global. Now, nalilinawin namin. Ang dami ko na-encounter, ganito lagi sila mag-promote. Sister, inumin mo to, gagaling ka dito. Naku po. Inumin mo to, tanggalin mo na yung gamot na ininom mo, nabigyan ng doktor mo. Wag na wag niyong gagawin yon. Hindi po recommended ang company yan. Maliwanag ko tayo. As the word implies, supplement means pangtulong, pandagdag. Maliwanag po. Hindi po sila gamot. Inuulit ko po yan. Okay? Hindi po sila panggamot. And, one more thing. Sabi dito po ay, food supplements are different from those for prescription or over-the-counter medications. Yun yung mga drugs. Okay. Klaro po tayo, ha? Maliwanag na po. Nagkakaunawaan ba tayo? Yan. Okay, ngayon. Dapat talaga kasi maganda yung usapan natin. Pero ang tanong, Dok, maganda ba yung food supplements? Yes naman! Of course, definitely. Okay? Ngayon, sige. Pag-usapan pa ng gusto. Sabi nga ano bang ginagawa ng FDA pagdating sa medicine sa food supplement? Paano ba yan, Miss Ping? Game tayo.
Yes, ito, to continue. Medicines must be approved by the FDA before they can be sold or marketed.
Tama.
Because supplements are considered drugs, they aren't put through the same strict safety and effectiveness requirements that drugs are. Supplements do not require this approval from FDA. Supplement companies are responsible for having evidence that their products are safe and the label claims are truthful and not misleading.
Yun ang maganda sinabi. Sabi nga po, ang medicines, just like food supplements, okay, lalo ang medicines, kailangan approve muna ng FDA yan bago maibenta. Tama, Miss Ping, ano? Ang supplements, hindi naman gamot. So, hindi sila ganun kahigpit sa food supplements. Hindi ganun katindi yung approval na kailangan from FDA. Pero ano sinabi dito, dapat yung mga may-ari, itong mga kumpanya to, are truthful. Yun ang word na, truthful. Okay, so hindi lang sa gamot, sa negosyo, sa buhay. Dapat truthful tayo and not misleading. Yan, ang ganda ng mga binanggit ni Spring, ano? Truthful and not misleading. Meaning say, lahat ng makikita mo doon, dapat talaga nasa loob yun ng capsule na ininom mo. Are we clear? Yan. So, para maganda, i-type niyo po dyan, truthful and not misleading. Type it down there. Truthful and not misleading. Okay. Now, Miss Ping, eto na. Ito yung sinasabi. When you talk about products, ano bang sinasabi dito, Miss Ping?
So as long as the product does not contain a new dietary ingredient, the one introduced since October 15, 1994, the company does not have to provide the safety evidence to the FDA before the product is marketed.
Kung wala naman daw bagong ingredient, okay, okay na yan sa FDA. Kumbaga, if that product has been existing way before October 15, 1994 at walang bagong ingredient yan, check! Approved na agad ng FDA. Maliwanag po. Ganun ka-simple. Pero kung naglabas ka ng bagong produkto na may bagong components, then, syempre, sisilipin ng FDA kung safe yan. Clear? Maliwanag tayo dun, Maliwanag po tayo, Ngayon, let's continue. A good friend of mine, my former student, a great leader, si Damo. Okay? Mr. Jolo Roel is watching right now. Sabi nga, Damo. Sabi mo ito ka yung Damo. man of wisdom. Yun. Jolo, Maricoy, how are you? How are you? How are you? And April is also watching. Yan. Damo. Okay? Now, Miss Ping, indiretso pa natin yung usapan sa food supplements saka sa FDA. Ano ba nakasabi dito, Miss Ping?
Dietary supplement labels may include certain types of health-related claims. Manufacturers are permitted to say, for example, that a supplement promotes health or supports a body function like immunity
Good.
or heart health. So these
Nice.
claims must be followed by the words, this statement has not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Very well said. Just like Vitadrink Mix, di ba nakalagay heart-friendly?
Mm.
Tama, Miss Ping, ano? Hindi
Tama.
sinabing can treat heart diseases. No. Hindi. It will promote health or support a body function. Kaya nga mabait sa atin ng FDA. But again, hindi sinasabing panggamot. Hindi sinasabing if you will drink this, it can treat your heart problems or cardiovascular problems. No. It will help. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Kaya nga sinasabi, Dok, hindi evaluated ng FDA. Dito maraming nalilito, Miss Ping, pag hindi evaluated ng FDA, di ano yan? Illegal yan. No. Ano yung sinabi namin? Kung yung components has been there since before October 15, 1994, hindi na kailangan i-evaluate ng FDA yan. Aprobado na kaagad yan. Yan. Okay, So, inulit ko po. Hindi siya intended para mag-diagnose, manggamot, okay, ng mga sakit. It is there to help improve the different systems of the body, including, of course, your immune system. Pampalakas ng katawan ang food supplements. Again, maliwanag
Yes.
po. So, huwag malilito sa no approved therapeutic claims kasi hindi naman talaga siya panggamot. Okay? Even when alam mo, Miss Ping, even when I was in Nigeria, hindi explain ko yan sa Africa. Kasi tinatanong ko, Dr. Villena, what does it mean? Because again, it's not a medicine. It's a food supplement. Yun. Now, Miss Ping, gusto ko tong part na to. Ano ba sinasabi dyan?
So ito please note that dietary supplements are not considered drugs, but rather foods.
Good.
One key difference is that drugs are considered unsafe until proven safe, whereas foods are considered safe until proven unsafe.
Yun. Napakalino naman sinabi. Kaya nga talagang i-scrutinize ng FDA ang mga gamot bago mailabas sa market. You know what? There was this medicine before, hindi ko na babanggitin yung pangalan sa kayong function niya. Grabe to, Miss Ping. Talagang bongga yung pagpopromote. Nasa 5-star hotel kami, okay? Doon nilaunch yung gamot. Ang galing, ganda ng gamot. Ang lakas ng benta initially, but after a year, it was removed from the market. Why? Kasi may nakita silang hindi naging magandang reaction. Miss Ping, milyon ang ginastos in promoting that specific medicine. But still, it was removed from the market. And sinabi, drugs are considered unsafe until proven safe. Yun. Are we clear? Yan. Kaya, hindi basta-basta maglalabas ng gamot na sa tingin nila ay makakasira ng ating pangangatawan. In fairness to the synthetic medications that me and Miss Ping are of course giving to our patients, definitely, pinag-aralang mabuti yan. Hindi naman masama ang mga gamot, hindi po pangpagamot, kaya nga gamot yan kasi para magpagaling ng tao, tama? Pero if given by the wrong person, okay, hindi siya magiging masama. Clear? Now, Miss Ping, syempre, sabi nga nila, ito, sino pang magbabantay ng mga food supplements kung talagang matino nga yun, talagang maganda? Ito yun, Miss Ping.
Yes, so good manufacturing practice. So manufacturers must follow good manufacturing practices or GMPs to ensure the identity, purity, strength, and composition of their products.
Yun. Okay, so ito naman yung sabi nga po natin, sisilip pa kung talagang okay nga yung produktong inilabas o yung gamot na inilabas. Are we clear? Yung good manufacturing practices. Pag hindi tinatakan yan, ay hindi pwede yan. Tama? Hindi ba pwede yan? And I would like to inform you, ang ating pong mga produkto, may GMP rin yan. Yan. Okay, now, Miss Ping, may GMP na. Ano pang ginawa ng FDA?
So the FDA monitors the marketplace for illegal products that may be unsafe or make false or misleading claims.
Yes. Again, major leaders, I would like to inform you, we've been existing for the past 19 years and counting ang AIM Global Group of Companies. And we're always true to our advocacy na ito po ay pantulong, hindi po panggamot. Kaya ang lakas po ng benta ng ating mga produkto. Why? Kasi nga po, honest po tayo mag-promote ng mga products natin. Tama? Yun. Pero, may inanote pa kami ni Miss Ping. Eto yan. Yan. Miss Ping, Kim, ano ba yan?
Yes, ito po yung safety and risk. You are most likely to have side effects from dietary supplements if you take them at high doses or instead of prescribed medicines. Some
Tama.
supplements can also interact with some medicines in ways that may cause problems.
That's why we have trainings. Para malaman natin, ilan lang ba talaga yung dapat nating ibinibigay. Kailan ba dapat siya ibigay? Kailan ba siya dapat hindi ibigay? Ano ba mga gamot? Pwede mong isabay yung mga food supplements natin. Tama po? Yun yun. At dapat ba ganito karami inumin ko? Naku po, dun din napakahigpit ko rin sa ganyan. Hindi po. Hindi porke food supplements wala ng problema. Hindi. Katulad po ng sinabi dito, likely to have side effects from dietary supplements if you take them at high doses or ipinalit mo pa doon sa mga gamot na dapat nilang iniinom. Kaya maling-mali po yun. Again, I would like to repeat, may algorithm tayo. Ano yung sa algorithm? Ginagawa namin training ng Miss Ping. Kailan ang ibibigay mo? Kailan mo ibibigay? Okay? Ano mga produkto, mga gamot, pwede isabay yung food supplements natin. Yun. And when not to give it is very, very important. Clear? Yan. At ang ganda ng global, bili mo, kumuha pa ng doktor, kumuha pa ng mga nurse, okay? Para tumulong sa pagpopromote ng products natin at mag-explain sa ating mga leaders yung kagandahan po ng ating mga food supplements. Yun eh. Okay? At syempre, Miss Ping, eto pa rin yan.
Yan, importante ito. So talk with your healthcare providers. Tell your healthcare providers, that's your doctors, dentists, pharmacists, and dietitians about any dietary supplements you're taking. They can help you determine which supplements, if any, might be valuable for you.
Kasi aaralin ng doktor yan, aaralin nila. Pati mga gamot na ininom, pwede ba yan? Mag-match ba yan? Dalawang yan. Dok, paano yun kung sinabi ng doktor, hindi pwedeng food supplements natin? The final decision will always be coming from the attending physician. Dok, doktor ka rin? Yes. But still, kahit kami mga doktor, ang ginagalang namin ng desisyon, yung desisyon ng attending physician. Do you get the point? But again, 85% of supplement users let their doctors know about their use of dietary supplements. Yung iba, ayaw pa rin sabihin sa mga doktor, hindi ho. Lilinawin ko, please, once you take the products of the company, if you're asked by your doctors, or even if not asked, sabi mo lang, Dok, tsaka pala uminom ako ng ganito mga food supplements. Be honest. Para yung doktor makapag-decide, sige, okay yan, safe yan. Ganun yun. But again, if the doctor thinks, hindi pa pwedeng food supplements kasi may iniinom siya mga synthetic medications, then we just need to respect the decision of the attending physician. Clear? Very good. Okay, that's it. Okay, now, Miss Ping, sabi nga, may mga produkto tayong kailangan banggitin. Banggitin na natin ngayon, Miss Ping.
Yes, ito po yung ating C24/7. Yes, our nutraceutical products na merong 29 vitamins, minerals, trace minerals, may kasamang 18 amino acids, 14 super green foods or spirulina blend, 12 whole fruit juice blend, 12 whole vegetable juice blend, 12 mushrooms, 12 digestive enzymes, 12 herbs and specialty nutrients. Meron pang 10 essential fatty acids, 5 anti-aging or antioxidant enhancer, and 4 longevity polyphenols or mega resveratrol blend.
Very good. Sabi nga, Doc, isa yan sa pinakamagandang produkto natin, pinakakumpleto pa. Paano ko simpleng-simple pinopromote to? I always ask my patients, uminom po ba kayo ng vitamins and minerals kung wala pa ng pagkabata? Ayos, Doc, syempre naman. Yun pa lang po yung number 1 sa ating kasi 24/7. Pag nakita nila yung laman, grabe Doc, okay to Then, explain ko ng simple, yun, bili ka agad. If you know what to say, if you know the components and the functions of these products, for sure you can easily promote and sell the products of AIM Global Group of Companies. Are we clear? Yan. Next, Miss Ping. Siyempre, ano pa kailangan
Ito,
natin?
kailangan talaga to, ang ating D Supreme, vitamin D na cholecalciferol. It helps in regulating the absorption of calcium and phosphorus for stronger bones. It facilitates normal immune system functions. It helps in reducing the risk of multiple sclerosis or MS. And research has
Yes.
shown that vitamin D might play an important role in regulating mood and decreasing the risk of depression. It
Tama.
supports weight loss, and one capsule a day gives you your daily requirement of vitamin D. It has 800 IU, which is safe for daily intake.
Yun, sabi nila 800 IU, pero yung laman sa atin, 1,000 IU pa nga, di ba? So, ganun yun. So, we've gone beyond the requirements. Okay, now, nilinawin ko pa, paaraw din kayo, syempre. 15 to 20 minutes. Ang bandang alas 6 hanggang alas 8 ng umaga, sige, huling tawad hanggang alas 9 for only 15 to 20 minutes so that once sunlight hits your skin, let me repeat for the second time, yung cholesterol sa ilalim ng balat will become vitamin D. Pero sa mga hobbers natin na hindi naaarawan, ito na po. Sa ating mga senior citizen na hindi rin naaarawan sa umaga, take this food supplement. It will help you. Okay? Dalawa na. Miss Ping, 1,000 IU. May sinama pa. Ano yung sinama, Miss Ping?
Yes, with our D Supreme, aside na may 1,000 IU siya, may sinamang MCT oil. So why with MCT oil? Because it boosts cognitive function, merong supreme absorption, and better immunity system support.
Very good. Napakaganda. Once a day is good enough. Miss Ping, let's talk about collagen. Sabi nga dito, kung ang edad mo ay below 30, medyo 100% pa yung collagen production mo. Kami ni Miss Ping, doon na kami sa category ng 30 hanggang below 60. habang nagkakaedad, 85% to 50%. Miss Ping, malapit-lapit na ako sa 50% na lang. Okay? Pag tuto mo ng 60 to 80, that will be from 20 to 10% na lang. Talampakan ka na lang pag nagkataon. More than 80, no more collagen production. Doc, para saan ang collagen? Naku, importante. Joints, muscle, bones, skin, internal organs, cardiovascular system, brain, ngipin. Kailangan ng collagen. Why? It comprises 30% of the total proteins in the body and it's part of your connective tissues. Maliwanag po. That as we age, nababawasan na. Now, ito na yung mga bilanggit ko sa inyo. Introducing, of course, Miss Ping. What is this?
Yes, our iGlow 24/7. So yan, speaking of collagen, this is our biofermented with 6,000 milligram collagen per packet. Smaller and shorter molecular structures, hydrolyzed, superior absorption, patented enzymolysis with clinical studies and more bioavailable, more effective, odorless, and tasteless.
6,000 milligrams. Ang requirements po is from 2,500 to 15,000. And it is collagen peptide. May hydrolysis pa. Tubig ang ginamit para palitin pa yung chemical structure niya. At pag sinabi yung enzymolysis, once you drink the product, at once, absorb ka agad ng systems natin yan. Korea made po ito, kaya talagang quality product. Maliwanag po tayo. Pwede mong ihalo sa live coffee, sa may choco, sa mga sopas. Wag lang sa mga alak, parang awa na po. Hindi po siya meant sa mga alak. Like po tayo ha. Sa mga healthy drinks, pwede po. Now, Miss Ping, I love the product. What is this?
Yes, so next product, ayan, di pa nag-move do.
Mm.
Ayan, ang ating Kyopi Glow. Ayan ang Kyopi Glow, masarap to. This is our premium micro-ground collagen coffee with caramel macchiato flavor. Meron siyang 3,000 milligram of iGlow 24/7 collagen per sachet. So there are 10 sachets per pouch.
Of the 6 variants that we have, na coffee, yan ang paborito ko yung Coffee Glow. Why, Miss Ping? Ano bang sinasabi sa Coffee Glow natin? Okay? Lumabas na ba, Miss Ping?
Hindi pa.
Okay. So, 6 ang kape natin ha, 6 ang kape. Pero sa akin, ito ang pinaka the best sa ngayon.
Masarap.
Ano yan? Lumabas, Miss Ping. Game.
Bakit hindi pa nagmula? Ayan na. Coffee Glow. It is a coffee enriched with non-dairy creamer, almond milk powder, and delightful hints of caramel and vanilla. Each
Very good.
sachet is packed with 3,000 milligrams of iGlow 24/7, which is a premium biofermented collagen peptide formulated in Korea. This unique ingredient boasts a 7 times higher and more effective absorption rate than ordinary collagen peptides.
Sarap. Meron ka ng collagen peptide na 3,000 milligrams. Tapos, caramel macchiato ka pa, Miss Ping.
Caramel, vanilla.
Macchiato. Yeah, ito yun, Miss Ping, para mas magandang usapan. Ano ba nakalagay dyan, Miss Ping?
Yes, with Coffee Glow, the non-dairy creamer provides a smooth, creamy base, while the almond milk powder adds a subtle, nutty undertone, enhancing the overall richness of the drink. The caramel and vanilla flavors blend harmoniously, imparting a sweet and aromatic essence that complements the bold, coffee-forward taste of espresso. With the added benefits of iGlow 24/7, Coffee Glow offers not just a delightful coffee experience, but also a boost of collagen for enhanced wellness.
Yun, siya nga pala, Miss Ping, si Moon Raven Lumpas is also watching right now. Ito, lagi natin kasama sa Moon
Palaging
Raven.
present yan sa Weekon.
Invite sa Moon Raven. Very good. Si Hannah Yusuf is also watching right now. So, yan po yan. Ito, kailan lang pwede kong inumin? Basta kape talaga, Miss Ping. Usually, we go for 3 times a day. Okay, maximum na yun. Once a day, kotang-kota ka na dyan. Pero, hindi lang yon. Ito pa, Miss Ping, banggitin na rin natin to.
Yes, so we have our Barley Glow. These are the 9 impressive health benefits of our Barley Glow. Number 1, it is rich in many beneficial nutrients. Next, it reduces hunger and may help you lose weight. Third, insoluble and soluble fiber content improves digestion. Number 4, it may prevent gallstones and reduce your risk of gallbladder surgery. Number 5, beta-glucans may help lower cholesterol. Number 6, it may reduce heart disease risk. And number 7, magnesium and soluble fiber may protect against diabetes. Number 8, it may help prevent colon cancer. And number 9, versatile and easy to add to your diet.
Yun, ay sabi ni Sherwin Coronado, sarap.
So,
Sherwin, see you sa ating gala night ha. Siyempre itong mag-asawang to, napakasipag talaga. And ang laki ng grupo nila sa Africa. They have a large group, okay, sa Africa. So, itong mag-asawang Coronado, pare ko, ikita-kits tayo. Napakaganda rin ng success story ng mag-asawang to. Okay? So, eto yan. Doc, ilan ang pwede kong inumin? Again, meron siyang 3,000 milligrams ng collagen peptide. Pwede ka rin tumatlo if you want. Pero ganito ginagawa ko. Isa niyan, isang Barley Glow, isang Coffee Glow, isang iGlow 24/7 per day. May sundot ng C24/7, tapos D Supreme and C Supreme. Yun. I usually take those products. Talagang napakaganda po sa katawan natin yan. Yan. Clear? Yon. Barley Glow Beauty Drink, Miss Ping, anong pinaghalo dito? Anong pinagsama?
So, merong organic green barley plus biofermented hydrolyzed collagen peptide and honey lemon flavor. That's our Barley Glow.
Kaya masarap. Pag wala yung honey lemon flavor, nako, hindi mo. Hindi masarap ang barley pag wala honey lemon flavor. So, that was the one who added the so-called great taste sa ating Barley Glow. Yan. And, hot or cold? Bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Ako, parehas, pwede. Pero mas preferred ko ang cold.
Cold.
Ikaw, Miss Ping, preferred ko yan.
Mas preferred ko yung cold.
Yan. Huwag nyo lang parang ininumumog pag iniinom. Yung iba kasi, Miss Ping, pag umiinom yan, parang ito ginagawa. Ininom, ano? Walang gano'n.
Parang tubig na namumog.
Parang ginawa niyo tubig eh. Wag po. Okay? 3,000 milligrams collagen sa kanang barley, Miss Ping. To sum it up, how does it work, Miss Ping?
So the combination of iGlow 24/7 and barley creates a harmonious synergy that addresses both external beauty and inner vitality. This dynamic duo provides essential nutrients, antioxidants, and protein, which supports radiant skin, joint comfort, strong immune system, energy boost, and antioxidant shield. So your healthy way to glow, barley glow.
Yan, sabi ni Deli Pineda, yes po, nakapag-purchase ako dito sa Qatar. 6 packs, ang sarap. Tama ka doon. Sabi ni Monrevi, naubos ko yata. 5 packs na, dahil ako dito sa trabaho. Tama rin yan. Si Jocelyn Undag, Pahota. Maganda ang kanyang bowel movement because of barley glow. Yan ang kagandahan niya. Maliwanag po tayo. Yun. Now, Miss Ping, syempre, panoorin niyo to. Pero Miss Ping,
Ayan na, Doc. May sound na.
If you're looking for a food supplement that contains everything you need, then C24/7 is the product for you. C24/7 goes beyond the ordinary multivitamins. It's packed with 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals, 18 amino acids, 14 super green foods and spirulina blend, 12 whole fruit and vegetable juice blends, 12 mushrooms, 12 digestive enzymes, 12 herbs and specialty nutrients, and 10 essential fatty acids with 5 anti-aging and 4 longevity polyphenols. These ingredients work together to give you cellular protection, immune defense, cardio health, energy, and even anti-aging and cancer protection benefits. It supports your body at every level, from your cells to your systems, helping you to stay strong, feel more energized, and fight daily stress and toxins. It's one of the most complete food supplements in the market today. One capsule, total care, C24/7, your daily health partner.
Miss Ping, hindi ba nag-shopping?
Okay naman, Doc. Hindi siya choppy.
Okay, yun yung una, Miss Ping. Okay, next tayo.
Ayan.
Not all vitamin C are created equal. C Supreme proves why it's the superior choice. Formulated with vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, citrus bioflavonoids complex, and lipid metabolites, C Supreme delivers unmatched absorption, retention, and cellular performance. It offers 12% more antioxidant delivery, up to 233% higher retention in your body, 300% better collagen repair, and 250% stronger immune protection. It's also clinically shown to provide 64% lower inflammation markers, reduce oxidized LDL by 83%, 11% more free radical in scavenging activities, and boost brain and nerve regeneration by 1,200%. No other vitamin C works as efficiently and comprehensively. C Supreme Vitamin C taken to the next level.
Next. Okay.
Yes.
Isa natin ha. Pasensya na po. Okay. Yan. Next tayo. Pangatlo.
Did you know that 7 out of 10 Filipinos are vitamin D deficient? D Supreme addressed the serious health gap with 1,000 international units of vitamin D3 blended with MCT oil to dramatically improve absorption during meal and even when taken on an empty stomach. Vitamin D plays a vital role in calcium and phosphorus absorption for stronger bones and in regulating immune response, supporting your brain, heart, and even your mood. MCT oil enhances bioavailability while adding its own benefits like better metabolism and mental clarity. With D Supreme, you're not just feeling a deficiency, you're empowering your whole body to thrive. D Supreme, because your sunshine vitamin deserves a power boost. Enjoy the song!
Scott, Scott. Gum, 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 gum.
Galing, ano?
With the purpose.
Wow, ang ganda ng bahay.
It is one of the resorts ni Kumparing Roy. Galing. Okay, ganda nung una ko sir, I was mesmerized. Talaga ang ganda ng lugar ng Ping. Dalong bundok eh.
Oh.
Next. Dalawa na lang.
Hmm.
Para po pwede niyong ma-share. One product.
Want collagen that actually works? Meet iGlow 24/7. Unlike typical collagen products, iGlow 24/7 is made with biofermented collagen peptides that have a molecular weight of just 300 to 700 daltons, one of the lightest in the market today. This means it's easily absorbed in the small intestine without needing to be broken down, ensuring direct collagen delivery to the skin and bones. With a 7 times higher absorption rate, it boosts skin elasticity, hydration, and overall glow, while supporting joint and bone health too. Science meets with beauty in every dose. Glow from the inside out, 24/7.
Okay.
Yes, ang gaganda, Doc.
For our fifth product, ito na.
Barley Glow is the ultimate beverage that brings together the power of barley and magic of smart collagen for a healthier, more radiant you. Barley is a nutrient-rich super grain that supports digestion, heart health, and blood sugar regulation for weight management. Combined with the biofermented smart collagen, this drink helps improve skin elasticity, joint health, and cell repair from the inside out. Top off with a refreshing honey lemon flavor, Barley Glow is perfect for your daily health routine, hydrating, healing, and delicious. Barley Glow, drink your health and glow while you're at it.
Okay, good. Okay.
Yeah.
And ito po ang mga produkto ng AIM Global Group of Companies. Okay, so palakpakan po natin si kumparing Roy. Okay, talaga namang
Yes.
when we're doing the shoot, talagang sabi ko, okay talaga yan, paring Roy. Yan, direct. Pwedeng i-out muna natin yan. Okay, out muna natin. Yan. So, babalikan natin mamaya. May mga ipopromote pa po kami ni Miss Ping. So, now we're open for question and answer. Okay, pero bago po tayo mag-question and answer, okay, syempre may mga, ngayon, diretso na tayo ng question and answer. Okay? Yan. Miss Ping, ano bang mga kailangan natin?
Yes, so ito po yung ating i-take note. Every time meron tayong virtual consultation sa mga lahat ng mga tanong ninyo regarding your client or your patient, importante po na mas include nyo po ito. No? Unang-una, yung age, edad ng inyong pasyente or client. Second, ano yung doctor's diagnosis niya? Ano yung sakit? Ano yung finding sa kanya? Number 3, laboratory results. Pag meron po, i-include nyo rin po sa tanong. And lastly, yung medications. It might be yung maintenance medications niya, yung current na prescribed na gamot sa kanya, or ang mga tinitake niya na gamot. So yun po ang include natin para po akmang-akma po ang recommendations ni Doc Butch sa inyong client or sa inyo.
Yun. So habang sila po yung nagko-conceptualize ng kanilang mga tanong, again, I would like to commend may kumparing Broth, okay? Roy Saldua, a Hall of Famer, and yung kanyang team, okay? Talagang, alam mo, Miss Ping, ang ginamit namin,
wonderful videos.
cellphones lang ang ginamit namin, walang special camera. Okay? Sabi ko nga, galing nga. Pero, ang ganda ng concept. Tapos, magkakaroon pa kami ng version niya na Taglish naman. Okay? So, but again, we will schedule pa natin kasi talagang, ngayon po talagang very busy po tayo sa ating pong preparation for our 19th year anniversary. May isa pang kulang yan, yung Coffee Glow. Okay? May isa pang kulang yung Coffee Glow. And as you can see there, karamihan po sa mga produktong yun na sinut namin, yun yung part ng Easyverse. Kaya, yun ang part ng Easyverse natin. Yan. Okay. So, good. May mga tanong na ba? Kasi kung wala muna mga tanong, kung mamaya po mag-proceed muna tayo, Miss Ping, doon sa ipopromote natin para di sayang oras. Okay?
Okay.
Yan. Sige po. Direct, pakibalik yung ating slides. So, what are we promoting, Miss Ping? Game tayo. Okay?
Yes, of course. Andyan pa rin po yung ating free Cardio Pulse every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the third floor head office in Ortigas, Pasig.
Yun. So ako na to, malita to no? So 8 hours of sleep, 6 to 8 hours. Avoid smoking, eating, drinking, soft drinks, coffee, tea, water, and heavy workout at least 2 hours before the test. Dapat ang jewelries, accessories, nail polish sa left index finger should be removed, including the coins and any metal in your body. And sinong mga hindi pwede? Yung mga may menstruation. Dapat po at least 3 to 4 days after the last menstrual day bago kayo magpa-cardio pulse. Hindi rin pwede ang buntis, hindi rin pwede yung mga may sakit in pain saka not feeling well, at yung mga may metal implants, and of course, may mga pacemakers. Now, Miss Ping, it will be clump on the left index finger, it will run for 3 minutes, and what will be the results? Physical and mental stress, yung tinatawag na stress resistance. Pangalawa, yung tinatawag na heart rate, yung skip beats, and the dilation of the blood vessels. If it will be 1 and 2, congrats. 3, 4, warning. 5 is bad. 6, 7, magpa-doktor na. Why? Because you need further evaluation and management. I would like to repeat, it is an initial test for you to find out if your blood vessels are functioning well. At the same time, we're also gonna recommend to you products of the company na sasang-ayon po dun sa result po ng cardio pulse natin. Okay? So, free Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, kahit mga first-timers yan, free yan. Even for the members, it's free for you. Okay? Pangalawa, Miss Ping. Ano pa tong free natin, Miss Ping?
Yes, another free coffee sa invite mo every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So for invites, you just need to bring at least one valid ID for verification. So available po ito sa head office natin sa Pasig.
Nagdala ka na, nag-invite ka na, may mga seminars pa, libre pa yung kape or may choco. Hindi lang yun. Okay, pag Thursday, ano yung promo natin, Miss Ping?
Yes, ito po yung ating Match and Glow Thursday promo. Meron tayong buy one, any Match and Glow product, you get one same product. Sa head office po ito. Meron pang free Wi-Fi.
Very good. So, Dok, pwede kaming doon mag-online. Yeah. Yun ang objective nun. Okay? Tapos papakita mo pa yung opisina. This is my office. Kasi opisina naman talaga yan. That is your office. Okay? Kaya talagang binibigay ng may-ari, ng board of directors, yung needs natin para talagang mas lumakas pa ang ating network. Maliwanag po tayo. Hindi lang yun. Ito yung sinasabi Miss Ping. Free Wi-Fi yan. And, Miss Ping, naku po, Rain or Shine promo for July. Ano yan, Miss Ping?
Yes, meron ulit tayong Rain or Shine promo from July 5 to July 15, 2025. You just need to buy 3 of our beverages, coffee, my choco, Kyopi Glow, and you get 1 free. So 3 plus 1. And another one, you will get to, we have buy 1 of our food supplements and lifestyle products, and you get 1 free.
At Miss Ping, pang-PMA na rin. Tama? Pang-PMA na rin, pwede na. So, either ikaw ay GE, GA, SE, EMS, pwede na po yan. Kahit new distributor, pwede na kaagad. Maliwanag po tayo. And, syempre, every Thursday, I'm back. Okay? Ano meron, Miss Ping?
Yes, every Thursday, face-to-face with Dr. Butch Villena sa kanyang product training sa 7th floor sa head office po natin. Every Thursday, 6 p.m. po yan.
Very good. Okay, so inulit ko pa, product training tayo. Bukas, sa Thursday, kita-kita. Kasi nung Thursday po, medyo ako po yung nag-vacation muna. Kasi Dr. Rachel ang nag-take over muna. Okay, pero I'm back. Every Thursday, hinati ko po sa 4 yung ating pong trainings about the products. Kung isang araw po yan, kulang ang 6 na oras. Okay, so usually it's running for 1.5 hours to 2 hours per day. Okay po? Then, packages is free.
Yes, so we have our Easyverse package. Available na po in the price of 5,980. So meron ka pagpipilian yung Easyverse package A natin. Merong 2 iGlow 24/7 packets, 2 Kyopi Glow packets, 2 Barley Glow packets and 2 D Supreme RPs. Plus, meron pang 1 Bronze Seal Pro and 1 Bibo Endorser Pack.
Yon. Okay, 7,241 ang presyo nun. Pero, 5,980 lang ang babayaran mo. At the same time, endorser ka na ng Bibo, insured ka na ng 500,000, at may mga sampler products ka pa. Sabi mo, Doc, pwede bang hati yung OVI sa Easy? Package B yun kung hati. Ano ba yun, Miss Ping?
Yes, sa ating Easyverse Package B, merong 1 Barley Glow pouch, 2 Kewpie Glow packets, 1 C24/7 RPs, and 6 D Supreme RPs, plus 1 Bronze Steel Pro in the amount of 6,275, makukuha mo sa 5,980.
Sabi ni ba, Doc, baka naman pwedeng damihan pa yung food supplements. O, ang ginawa ni Dr. Kabantog, eto na. Granted. Ano ba yung Miss Ping?
Yes, ang ating Easyverse Package C na merong 2 Barley Glow pouches, 1 Kewpie Glow pouch, 1 C24/7 RP, 5 D Supreme RPs, and 2 Energy Diffusers. So lahat ng products ng Easy.
Siyempre, yung mga taga-OVI, sabi baka naman pwedeng puro OVI naman. Eto yun.
Pag puro OVI, ito po yung Easyverse Package D natin na merong 2 Bronze Seal Pro coverages.
Yes. Ay, teka lang. Paano kung talagang puro food supplement? Paborito namin ni Miss Ping ito. Ano ba yan?
Yes. Ito yung favorite ko, yung Easyverse Package E kasi meron siyang 3 C24/7 RPs and 3 Barley Glow pouches.
Yes. At yung mga may hilig sa Barley Glow, ito na po, granted na po yung wish nyo kay Dr. Kabantog. Package F, Miss Ping. What is that all about?
Yes. Ito po yung ating Barley Glow package, yung F. Kasi meron siyang 5 Barley Glow pouches.
Yes. Next. Siyempre, Miss Ping, DDR
Ito na.
forever. Ano yan?
Totoo po yan. DDR forever na. So paano nyo makuha yan? You get 3 new direct downlines with any Easyverse package na 5,980. Within the same month, you double all your direct referral bonuses for the qualifying month.
Yun ang magandang usapan doon. Dapat tatlo, So, imbis na 500, magiging 1,000 na. Kung nakatatlo ka, 3,000 ka agad. Dok, nakalima kami. Eh, di 5,000. Dok, nakapito kami. 7,000. Dok, nakadalawa kami. Ay, take 500 lang yon, 1,000 lang yon. Maliwanag po. But again, yung direct referral nyo, the following day, pwede mo nang i-withdraw. Pero yung double direct, that will be on the 15th the next month. Yan. So, may forever sa AGG. Kami po yung mag-question and answer muna ni Miss Ping ng konti. Okay. Miss Ping, simulan natin.
Ayan. So, unang-unang tanong from Moonraven, Lumpas. So, sabi niya, good morning, Doc Butch. Yung anak niya daw, 28 years old, merong foot fungal disease. Ay, direct pakita namin. Nagpa-check up na po siya at may cream na pinapahid. Di niya lang alam, ubos na yung gamot at cream. After 2 months, bumalik uli yung kati ng paa niya po. Mahal pa naman yung check-up, 9,000 plus yung cream daw 2,000 plus. Di na ulit siya nakabalik sa doktor kasi medyo may kamahalan. So gusto niya na lang bumili ng cream. Ang tanong niya po, ano po pwede na product para dyan po? Pero umiinom naman siya ng C Supreme.
Ano po. Alam mo, direct patanggal muna ako ng picture natin para maganda yung tanungan natin.
Yan,
good.
tama.
Basta fungal infection po talaga, at least 1 month. Yung iba talaga umaabot pa 6 months So, walang assurance kaagad na it will be effective, that effective. Yung iba nagkikream na may oral pa. Maliwanag po. So, you better go back to your dermatologist para matest din nila kung anong klaseng fungal infection yung kalaban. Now, even if they will give the medicines, kung paulit-ulit naman yung exposure, yun ang problema natin. Maliwanag po. Especially kung weak ang immune system nung anak nyo. So, you have to strengthen your immune system. May fungal infection siya. Wala bang sugat? Kasi usually mismo ang mga may fungal infection sa paa, nagkakaroon ng sugat. So, what are we gonna recommend? Na pang-supplement, At ang ganda ng discussion natin kanina, hindi siya pampalit, Kaya nga, my suggestion is for you to still go back to your attending physician, to your dermatologist. Now, ano mga food supplements pa ang pwede natin itulong? ibigay. Complete is number 1. Si Supreme, pwede rin po. Barley Glow is also good. Pero, syempre, ano ba yung sabon na ginagamit niya? I'm sure may mga antifungal na sabon na binigay pa yung doktor. Isa pa magandang pantulong will of course be your deep cleansing and whitening bar. Maliwanag po. But we would like to repeat, hindi po sila yung mga primary medications. It will only help, okay, improve yung pakiramdam po ng inyo pong anak. Yan. So, go back to your attending physician. Huwag kayong bibili ng basta-basta ng cream na hindi po nakita ng doktor. Or if you want a second opinion from another dermatologist, you may do so. Pwede rin po naman yun. Okay? Ang importante po, makita ulit ng isang espesyalista sa skin yung anak ninyo. Are we clear? Siyempre, isang pang napaka-importante aside from well-balanced diet, ingat din yung pagkain. So, hygiene talaga ang pinaka-importante dyan sa strong immune system. What else?
Yan. So, thank you very much, Doc Butch. Okay. So, take note mo, Raven. Next question from Ricardo Capa. Okay. So, ang tanong ni Ricardo Capa, I am 56 years old. Meron siyang ameloblastoma. Ano po food supplement to lessen its growth? I have no medication. Yun ang sabi niya. Ameloblastoma? Ang tumor sa ano yan? Sa jaw. Ano?
Yan natin kung nasaan ang kanya. Okay. Rare, benign, or cancerous tumor of odontogenic epithelium. Okay. So, siguro ito po ay benign pa. Kaso nga lang, naku, Miss Ping, hindi maganda to pag talagang naging cancerous. Hindi pa ba siya ganun kalaki? Kasi yung iba talaga, Miss Ping, pag nag-worsen to, pangit eh.
Pero wala siyang medication.
Kaya nga, malamang to benign pa.
Mm.
Medications can cause severe abnormalities of the face and jaw. Yun ang problema nito. Ang pangit pag lumaki talaga. Okay? So, it's a tumor ng epithelium sa outside portion of the teeth during development, lower jaw, okay, usually. So, ang tawag, ito yung odontogenic neoplasm. Miss Ping, ganito ang kalalabasan niya pag nag-worsen, hindi maganda. Kita niyo ba? Yan, no? Pangit, oh. You see that? Okay? So, kung baka hindi pa ganun kaliit, pang-supplement po, that's what we can be able to recommend definitely. Again, I'll go for complete. Okay? And, si Supreme will also be good. Yun muna po. Okay? Pero, talagang i-monitor ng doctor mo, especially ng ENT po, okay, yung development niya. Kasi pag talagang lumalaki, baka po maoperahan po talaga kayo. Yun po yun. Okay? Yan. Kung laki nito, hindi maganda siya. Okay? Really. Talagang surgical to, Miss Ping, pag nagkataon.
Oo, parang pag tumor na ganyan, surgery ang pinaka next option.
Kita ba? Yung picture? Can you see the picture? Yan, no? Grabe, oh. So, ingat na mabuti. Dapat, maganda dapat yung follow-up mo sa inyo pong ENT. Okay? Para po, kung kailangan operahan po yan. Kasi surgical resection po talaga or enucleation, yung pinaka-definitive treatment po ng ganitong klase ng problema. Yun po yun.
Okay, so thank you very much, Doc. Ayan, take note, Ricardo Capa. Okay. Next question is from Rose Espanola. So ito naman yung kay Rose. Age 65, just operated last May 25, diagnosed si stage 4 colon cancer. Tapos na po home meds, planning to buy complete. Yung tanong niya, paano po inom ang complete sa ganitong case? Salamat po, Doc.
Kayo ba ay magpapakimo? For sure, kung stage 4 cancer ka, may chemo na kasama yan. Okay? Definitely. So, complete po tayo pag ganyan. Once a day, every week you add one. Mag 1-1-1 sa akin, basta long term, mas okay na po yun. Pero again, that's stage 4. Maganda dapat ang diet mo, nutrition is talagang dapat bantay na bantay. And kung ano man po yung mga recommendations pa ng inyong doktor, ng inyong surgeon, sundin po natin. Okay po? So I'll go for complete. If you would like to add white light, glutathione, pwede rin naman po. As a food supplement po. Okay?
Okay, sige. Thank you, Doc. Take note, Rose. Ayan. So next question from Christina Basmayor. Simple lang yung tanong ni Christina, Doc. First time niya gumamit ng D-Supreme. Ano oras po ang pinakamagandang pag-inom ng D-Supreme?
D-Supreme is during meal time. Either breakfast or lunch or dinner time. Ako usually I take it. Ang D-Supreme ko usually breakfast eh.
Ako rin after breakfast or during breakfast.
Yeah. Kasi ang Colidus ko usually dinner time eh.
Pareho tayo, Doc.
Yun. Okay?
Ayan. So yan, mga Basmayor. Next question from Marikel Rindon. So ang sabi niya, ang anak niya daw mayroong fatty liver. Ano po ang pwedeng ipainom?
Depende kung kamusta po ang inyong SGPT. Okay? Pero usually, pag fatty liver, I give white light glutathione. It's good for the liver. And bibigyan din ako ng Colidus. At once a day po. Of course, may gamot ka na iinumin, nabigyan ng doktor mo, yung mga tinatawag na fenofibrate, saka yung mga statins, either somvastatin, simvastatin, atorvastatin, yun po. Okay? Tapos, syempre, ang pinaka-importante dyan is diet. Talagang iiwas ka sa mga fatty food. Okay? So, yun po yun. You go more with vegetables. Okay? Mas madami ka dapat vegetables pag ganyan. Fish will also be good. Pero wag po mga prito. Usually, dapat yung mga sinigang, nilaga, yan. Pag manok, mga tinola, ganun po. Okay? Bawasan ang kain ng kanin. Isa pa yun. What else?
Okay, ito yun. Kanina pa ito nagtatanong si Antonio Lopez. Ang tanong niya regarding sa ating product na Ultra H2, mga ilang taon po daw pwedeng magagamit yung Ultra
Hanggang
H2?
Hanggang tumatakbo.
Tanong niya.
Oo, hanggang tumatakbo yan. Nag-generate yan ng molecular halogen. Yun po yun.
Oo.
Siyempre, dapat pangalagaan mo mabuting Ultra H2 mo. Yun yun.
Yan. So, walang definite na year, Antonio. Basta okay pa yung gamitin mo na at alagaan na mabuti para tumagal. Yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Next na tanong from Fema Shias. So, ang tanong niya, may seizure daw yung anak niya. Napansin niya sa pag-inom ng food supplements natin, madalas na siya nagsi-seizure. Pero umiinom naman siya ng mga maintenance niya.
Again, ang hirap mag-comment pag ganyan. Talaga ba yung
Walang
food supplement?
hindi natin alam yung sakit talaga.
Hindi ko pa alam yung sakit. Yung edad, di namin alam ni Miss Ping. So, kung sa tingin mo, it's the one trying to trigger the seizure, tigil mo syempre. Okay? But again, medyo biling kasi information ang binigay mo sa akin. Pero katulad na sabi ko, if you think that food supplement is the one responsible sa kanyang seizure attacks, you have to stop it first. Yun po yun. Pero bigyan mo kami ng mas kompletong detalye. Edad, gamot na iniinom, ano bang klaseng seizure ang naging diagnosis? Yan. Para alam namin paano naman kami magre-recommend. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi ko naman i-recommend ko because I really don't know yung edad ng anak niyo. One of the safest will be Ultra H2. Yun po yun. Okay? Ngayon, kung yan po 18 and above, you can give white light glutathione. Okay po?
Yan. So, last na lang na tanong. Ito, last question from Judy Ann Lazaro. So, yung tanong niya, hello po, Doc. Ask ko lang po, ano po kaya yung pabalik-balik na lagnat tuwing hapon? Nagpa-lab test na po, negative naman po lahat ng test. Ano po kaya yun at anong food supplement po pwede?
May edad na ba yan? Bata? Siyempre, one of the things that we need to rule out will be tuberculosis. Isa rin po yun. Okay. Pero may iba pa po mga sakit na pwede maging dahilan ng lagnat that right now hindi ko masabi kung ano po yun. Okay? Unless makita natin yan, may examine, then we will be requesting different kinds of laboratory tests. Siyempre, one of which will be CBC muna. Pero again, maganda po talagang nai-examine ng personal po ng kanyang doktor. Ilang taon po ba yung anak nyo? Yun ang problema ko. Okay, kasi yung age very critical po yan. Kung 12 and above, you can give complete once a day. Kung 18 and above, you can give complete pa rin ako pag ganyan eh. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng lagyan dinideal natin. Okay? Tapos kung below 18 naman, below 12, KD 24/7 tayo. Saka definitely Ultra H2, yun po yun. Okay?
Yan. So, may yan, sige.
May pahabol ba? May pahabol? Sana lang.
Pahabol lang, Doc. Ito si Nelly Carolino. Ano daw pong maganda sa arthritis?
Anong klaseng arthritis? Gout ba yan? Kasi kung gout po talaga, may mga gamot kami ibinibigay. Fevisustat, okay, plus colchicine, or allopurinol plus colchicine. Yun po yun. Tapos syempre may mga pain relievers pang kailangan nyo pag in pain talaga. Now, kaya nga ang problema kung anong klaseng arthritis ba ang pinag-uusapan natin. Osteoarthritis ba, gouty, or rheumatoid arthritis? Kung yan po yung mga osteoarthritis or gouty arthritis, pwede ka rin magbigay ng Colidu saka po ng Vitadrink mix. That will also be good. Tapos syempre po, kung joints ang pinag-uusapan natin, maganda yung maganda yung Barley Glow, kaya iGlow 24/7. Yun po. Okay?
Yan. So, yan na po. Thank you, Doc.
Okay. Game.
Yan.
Yun. Limitless. 2000, since 2006. Wow. Eto na Miss Ping.
Ito yung pasabog. Yan. Yes, ito na po yung pasabog natin sa ating 19th anniversary celebration, Limitless. So we are giving away 5 US trips, 1 Nissan Terra, and 1 million pesos. So come sa ating anniversary on July 21, 2025. That's a Monday, 5 p.m. Pero yung gates will be opened at 3 p.m. So this will be the Philippine Sports Arena. Ticket price, yan. Pwede sila mag-contact sa kanilang mga upline, no? Regarding paano mag-purchase ng tickets or sa head office natin.
Yes. Hoy, sinong sumanalo niyan? Type niyo po kung ano gusto niyo panalunan. US trip ba? Nissan Terra, saka 1 million. Type niyo po dyan. Type niyo po. Pero syempre, mapapanalunan mo yan kung nandun ka. Kung wala ka doon, hindi ka mananalo dyan. Maliwanag po.
Imagine, 5 US trips. Wow!
No? Sa Nissan Terra, grabe.
1 million pesos.
Gosh, grabe naman. Si Sister Gemma Hamisola is watching. How are you? See you, ha? See you, Tita Gemma, sa 21. Okay, kasi lahat naman talaga. US trip to si Cecil Toms. US trip. Yan. Okay, ha? So, type mo dyan, ha? Kung alin dyan ang gusto nyo mapanalunan. Yon. Okay, ha? So, kita-kits, dalhin lahat. Kasama natin, kagrupo natin, invites natin for them to be inspired. Sabi ni Ricardo Capa, 1 million po. Siyempre,
Dinedeclare na.
Yes, of course. Okay. Siyempre. And the following day, salamat sa ating top 300. Bisping, ano mangyayari?
For all our top 300 distributors to class 2024, we will be having Gala Night on July 22, 2025. That's a Tuesday after our anniversary, 6 p.m. po sa ballroom ng Soler Resorts North.
Very good. Sa Soler, maganda po doon. Okay? Napuntahan ko na rin po yung lugar na yan. It's a very nice place. Okay? Talagang party tayo dyan. And makakasama nyo doon yung lahat ng mga successful, okay, na leaders ng AIM Global, kasama ang top 50, top 20, okay, tapos yung ating po mga Hall of Famers, with the management will be there, the parts of AIM Global Group of Companies. Wala tayong gagawin niya kundi magsaya. Yun po yun. Kumbaga, after ng isang taong talagang pag-network, syempre dapat may saya. Dapat, yun lagi sinasabi, Miss Ping, di ba? Hindi pwedeng puro trabaho. Dapat na reward mo rin yung sarili mo. And this is a day for us to be able to what? Enjoy. Okay, yung success na tamasa po ng bawat isa. Yun. Kaya, kung sa tingin mo, next year, kasama ka na dyan. Type mo na dyan ngayon. Next year, kasama na ako dyan. Yan. Kaya, next year, kasama na ako sa gala night. Very good. Okay, that's it. At kami po ni Miss Ping ay magpapasalamat na. Miss Ping, sino bang ating mga kailangan pasalamatan?
Yes, thank you everyone. First of all, thank you Lord na continue pa rin kami, healthy kami sa pagpatuloy po sa mga misyon namin sa buhay. And syempre, thank you very much in Global Group of Companies with the leadership of Dr. Ed Cabantog. Maraming salamat, Dr. Ed. And Dr. Connie Cabantog. Thank you, Dr. Connie. And syempre, yung ating mga Vice Presidents, Sir Arnalyn Pin and Sir June Espinosa. Thank you very much. Also, sa aming mga kapatid sa training team. Ang una-una dyan, syempre, Dr. Butch Villena. Maraming salamat, Doc, sa beacon na ito. Thank you po.
And Miss Ping Eday, of course.
Yes. Next, thank you din kay Jason Lino, Terry Tapales, Christian Enrile, and Dr. Rachel Manguera.
And kay Direk, okay, ang ating Direk na napakasipag. Okay, maraming salamat, Direk Yvonne. And sa lahat ng staff ng AIM Global,
Yes.
local and worldwide, kanina, may soft launching, opening ng
Sa
South Africa.
Oo, South Africa.
Sabi na Meg. Meg, congratulations. Napakagaling na ano natin yan, na staff natin si Meg. Napakagaling yan. And sa lahat ng aming kasama for more than 5 years and counting sa Beacon, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po.
Siyempre, hindi manatapos ang araw to. 2 weeks ha, tandaan nyo, 2 weeks from now, you'll be the 90th year anniversary of AIM Global. Siyempre, kailangan yung final message from Miss Ping. Ano ba yung Miss Ping?
Yes, ang masasabi ko lang, good health is the foundation of a happy and productive life. So invest in your health.
Good. Pinakita na po namin sa inyo ang kagandahan po ng pagpopromote ng food supplement. Dapat po talaga sinasabi po para maging tama ang pagpopromote mo, you have to train hard. But of course, ang isa pang pinaka-importante, you have to be a product of our own product.
Yes.
Magbenta po tayo ng produkto, i-promote po natin yan, pero dapat po talaga mabigay na example yung ating katawan kung gaano kaganda po ang mga produkto ng AIM Global Group of Companies. Okay? With that, kita-kits po tayo, July 21, para po sa 19th year anniversary of AIM Global Group of Companies. So, ako po si Dr. Villena with my partner,
I'm Ping Eday.
saying thank you very much, and of course, to God be the glory. Bye-bye! See you next week!
Bye-bye. God bless everyone.